Good evening. Ira Epstein, and here we are with your metal market wrap-up. And this wrap-up is for Tuesday, and we're at the 20th of June, 2023, right after 6 p.m. Central Time. Washout day? Oh, yeah. Gold market got clobbered today, going back into the low 1940 area. Did recover about $7, $8 off the lows, but it certainly got hit. The silver lost its momentum against gold today. So if you're watching the 18-day average of closes between the two, you saw the flip. The copper market is staying bid. And the reason is the market keeps waiting to see, is China going to do anything to save its economy? It's not getting help at this point by the lowering of interest rates, which they've done now even through this week and last week. Just not having the impact they want. We'll see what happens. The dollar was strong today, and now we're starting to get a bid in some of the currencies tonight. And remember, you have on the 22nd, you have the Bank of England making its decision now as to what it's going to do. And in the stock market, waffling, but I'll cover that in the financial market update. As you can see, you're still slipping away in the energy markets because the market is concerned what's going to happen with demand from weakening economies. And you're going to take another 1 million barrels a day of oil off in July. You haven't done it quite yet. Now, Russian oil production, from all the source I'm getting, is down about 200,000 barrels a day. It's nowhere near the 500,000 they had pledged. Let's see what gives. When you look at the gold market, you can see this is very important. For the moment, it's the first time you're back under the 18-day average of closes since over here in November. So the market, we thought that we'd get a pullback to the 18-day average you have. It's only Tuesday. This is a close-only chart. But if it were to stay like this, I think you have to have a bearish bias in the market by weekend. When we look at the daily chart, you can see how the market's just getting clobbered right through here. You've got the pattern of lower highs, lower lows to go with it. You're underneath the 18-day average. And tell me you don't get the idea when I say there's a line in the sand on charts. Markets often pick which one. I like the 18-day average of closes in red, and it's been doing that. Now it just got back underneath, as you can see, the 100-day average as well. The 200's all the way down here at 1891.10. Is it an open target? It absolutely is. You can't deny that it is. What's trying to support the market are the Bollinger Bands. Each of these washout numbers, and this is the second in 4 days, basically, it's gone there and it's held. That is not bullish. Now, what could be bullish, and there is something, should the market here not take out the low of 2 days ago and get back over this high, that could change things. Not saying it's going to happen. Last, you are getting oversold. So oversold doesn't beget new short sales. Gold, silver, problem. You reverted back up. So if we step back here a day, let's make sure it'll do it. Yeah, it will. There we go. I thought I'd get it. Here is how the market closed on the 16th. This is what you walked into today. Kaboom, right over that number. And this is where you're at tonight so far. As you can see, it's a radical shift in the market. Everybody running for that one door changed that gold-silver ratio rather dramatically. The silver market, continues down. I'll look for support between the Bollinger Band and the 200-day average. It is oversold. That's the target. Excuse me there. In the copper market, we have higher highs, higher lows, still bullish and still an embedded reading. So the pros will buy this until the red line closes underneath, in my opinion, at least 79. And barring that, they're looking to see can they drive the market all the way up here. But to get that help, something's got to come out of China. This is not just going to happen on the chart by itself. In the platinum, the washout continues that we've talked about. Lack of need for this market and more lack of need over time. You see how you're coming down. If we take a look, you had embedded, you lost it or attempted to, and you've regained it basically. And in the dollar, you're getting a bear market rally. Both numbers tonight, if you take a look, are for the moment under 20. Where were they on the close today? Under 20. Where were they the day before? Not there. So today could only be the second day of trying to embed. You're just in an oversold condition looking for a bounce, and I don't think anything more than that is what you should count on. So, you see me doing all this, and one of the things that, isn't right for everybody is self-directed trading. It just isn't. I mean, a lot of people have trade advisors, if you will. A lot of people have stock brokers today. They want somebody to talk to. Even Charles Schwab says, call our service. We have option experts. They'll work with you. So please get that through your mind. It doesn't have to be a lonely experience. My brokers, on average, have 30 years experience. They've been through it. They know the options, the spread markets. They can work with you, be your eyes and ears. We do not manage money. So they will not, you can't say to them, do what you think is right. They won't do that. You have to discuss with them what's going to happen, how much they have to work with you. They want to do it. They're inexpensive by any stretch, okay? You're not going to be paying through the nose in crazy numbers. So how do you work with that? Well, you call them and you talk to them. It's that simple. It's the old-fashioned way. You talk to people. How do you do that? You give us a call at 866-973-2077. When you do it, just say, hey, I'd like to talk to somebody about opening an account and working with somebody. Can't be any easier. I'm Ira Epstein. You have yourself a great day. I'll talk to you first thing in the morning and, of course, in my other end of the day videos.